First we'll take individual series, right? And you know very well that in the case of individual series, frequency is not given. Now first step again here, arrange the series in either ascending or descending order. Second, locate median by using the formula M. This is M is for median. So M is equal to n plus 1 upon tooth items value. This is the formula for individual series. M is equal to n plus 1 upon tooth items value. And what is n? N is the total of frequency or total number of items. But here in this case frequency is not given, so n means only total number of items, whereas in the case of discrete series n will be sigma f. So here median is n plus 1 upon tooth items value. Now we will take the example. Find out median from the given data. This data is given 20, 25, 30, 15, 17, 35, 18, 40 and 26. Now how to calculate median in this case? As it says, arrange the series in either ascending or descending order as the first step. So first we will arrange the series in any particular order whichever you want. Here again it is in the ascending order. Now after arranging the data, we will apply the formula. M is equal to size of n plus 1 upon tooth item, right? Now here size of n plus 1 upon tooth item is, now n is here 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 items here. So n will be 9 plus 1 upon tooth item. Now this is fifth item. Now here you have to find out which is the fifth item. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be known as median fifth item, that is 25. Clear? So this way, in the case of individual series, apply this formula. After arranging the data, apply the formula, find out the item and then locate the item, and that will be the median. Fifth will not be the median, but fifth item will be the median, right? Now this is the case what I have taken when odd number of figures are given. Odd means total number is 9, that is not even number, that is odd number, and then you get the item, fifth item. Now when serial number is even, that means either the figures are given that are either 8, 10, 12, 14 and so on. So when the even number is given, then how to calculate median, this I will explain you with the help of an example. Now here the data is given, this is 10, 12, 16, 17 and so on. These total are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total are 10 figures here. Here it were 9 only. Here the total number of items are 10. Now what to do? When they are 10 in number, then you cannot locate it the central position or central value, because you cannot divide it into two equal parts. So in this way, here m is equal to n plus 1 upon tooth item. This is the arranged data, so I have not changed the data again. This is already arranged in the ascending order. Second step, apply the formula n plus 1 upon tooth item. What is n over here? N is 10, right? So it is 10 plus 1 upon tooth item, right? Now 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 upon tooth item. Now 11 upon tooth item is 5.5th item. Now you have to find out what is 5.5th item. Here it was very clear, it was 5th item, so you could easily locate it. Here it is 5.5th item. What does it mean? That is value of 5th and 6th items. That means in between 5th and 6th there is median, because it is 5.5. It is neither 5 nor 6, it is 5.5. So it is in between. In between of what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 and 6th item. In between these two values there is median. But you have to find out what is the actual value. Because it is more than 18, it is less than 22. Now how to find it? M is equal to, now 5th and 6th item divided by 2. This is 18 plus 22 upon 2. This will give you 5.5th item, and this will be 40 upon 2, that is 20 is the median in this case, in between these two values. Right? So in the case of odd numbers, it is easy to locate after finding out the item. In the case of even number, you have to add up two values and then divide it by 2 and get the median. Clear? So in this case, in the case of individual series, it is very easy to calculate median after arranging the data in either ascending or descending order and applying the formula, and you will get the correct value of median.